welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, you guys, I'm going to show you how you can do your own nails at home using dip powder. As you can see, your girl nails looking real nice, like she went to the salon. Just a little backstory, you guys. I used to go to the salon a lot, but I had bad experience, so I stopped doing it. So I do my own nails now. So you're gonna start off with some fresh clean nails, you guys, and I picked this up from my local dollar store. It is a drill. It is not the fancy kind, you guys. This was only $3, so I said let me try it, because usually I do my nails with fingernail files, emery boards basically, but I'm gonna try this little tool out, and it uses AA batteries, I think it was. But as you can see, it does come with the little tools that they use at the nail shop, and it's going to show you the directions is in there, and it gives you a little pouch to keep it you know, out of the way in a safe spot. And also it shows you on the back, and I'm going to show you here in just a second, it shows you on the back what each tool is and the purpose for each tool. So I'm just showing you guys the setting bag, and then here are the little tools that you put in there, and then each one, like I said, serves a different purpose. You guys, I'm not like an expertise with this tool. Like I said, I just picked it up from my local dollar store, and that's what I'm going to be using. So as you can see here, it shows you what comes in there, which is your cuticle pusher, your fine shaping tool, emery tool, and then the buffing tool. So yeah, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and get this thing started. So I am using the Kiss dip powder. Yeah, Kiss Salon dip powder, and I am using a sparkly glitter color. I think it was y'all, I don't know, let me not even lie to you, because I don't even remember what the name of it is called, but I'm just going to show you here what the color looks like, and then I'll show you the rest of the products that I'm going to be using from this kit as well. Okay, you guys, now we're going to show you the kit. So this is the salon dip kit. It has different components in there to use with the dip powder. It's going to have some activator in there. It's going to have the bonder, the keratin bonder, your brush cleaner, and it does come with the color in here as well. Those other two colors, you guys, that I had, I picked up from my local beauty supply store, and it was the silver was the liaison, and then the pink was the big love. So as you can see here, you guys, it shows you what comes in here: base gel, top gel, activator, softener for the brushes, and it gives you 2 extra brushes, and then it gives you also the color right here that I'm pulling out. That's also like a soft pink in this particular box here as well. So I'll just show you guys what comes in here, and then we'll move right along into, you know, showing you the different colors and how pretty they look, and then we'll get started on the nails. By the way, you guys, these are my real nails. My real nails do grow really long, and I take really good care of my nails. Like I said, the backstory with my nails is, so I had went to the salon, right? Yeah, I had went to the salon one time, and I usually have went to this salon like all the time. So I went to one specific lady in there, and so I asked for her that day, and she was not there. Okay, she wasn't there. So you know how they do. They say, okay honey, I'd get somebody else for you now. Okay, I get somebody else for you now. It's okay, they do good job. So I said, are y'all sure she do a good job? Yeah honey, you sit down, she do you now. She do you now, it do a good job. So I said, okay, cool. So I sit down, you guys. She getting ready to take my nails off, y'all. If y'all have ever went to the nail shop, you know exactly what I'm talking about. They are so rough with your nails, okay? Mind y'all, I used to get overlays on my nails because they were so long. So she get the, you know, pulling on my hands trying to take the nail off. Instead of her gently trying to pull the nail off, this HOE ripped my nail, y'all. She literally ripped my nail to the meat, y'all. I was so mad, like so mad. I had to get up and walk out just so I wouldn't, you know, spaz out and act a little my color. I never went back from that day, and that's been years ago, you guys. So I do my own nails from now on. You know, I do my own nails. I don't have time to be sitting there with these people roughing and doing what they want with your nails, and you be telling them it hurt, and they be like, no, it don't hurt. So how you gonna tell me it don't hurt? But anyways, you guys, back into the video. So here are the instructions. If you don't know what you're doing like I did, and I had to read the instructions. So let's just get started, you guys. I got some paper towel because this stuff is really like it's very potent, you guys. Like, it's really strong, so I suggest you wear a mask if you don't have one. Also, the activator will actually, I have plexiglass on top here, it will mess it up if I don't do it right. So I'm just taking my drill and I'm going to go ahead and smooth around my cuticles, you guys, and buff out the surface of my nails just to get the shiny part off of it. And then I'm going to go back in and, you know, buff everything, because the instructions tell you, you know, you got to start off with a clean nail and make sure it's buffed and clean. So I'm just taking off my dead skin around my cuticles. So I'll let you keep watching. Okay, you guys, now that we have the nails all fresh and clean, I did go ahead and wash my hands off camera so that I can make sure I have a fresh, clean canvas. So first things first, you're going to start off with the base gel. You guys, you're going to put the base gel on all 10 of your nails just to make sure that everything adheres correctly. And you're not going to put it on at the same time, okay? You're not going to put that on at the same time. I'm going to take my first color here, which is this really dull, pretty pink. I'm going to put it in my dip bowl, and then I'm going to start on one finger at a time, you guys, with the base gel. You place one finger, whichever finger you want to start with, you put the base gel on top of the nail, and then you're going to dip it in the powder. So make sure that you're really neat with what you're doing, because you don't want to get this gel around your cuticles, because it will stick the powder onto wherever you put the gel. So a little disclaimer, you guys, don't take it out and then brush right away like I did. Like, give it some time to sit there, because you see I messed it up. Give it some time to sit there and then wipe it off. So again, you're going to go in with your next nail, put some base coat on there, dip the finger into the powder, wait for a second, you know, shake the powder off, and then take the little buffer that they give you into the box and wipe off the excess. And you're going to go and do this to all 10 of your nails, you guys, and do it as many times as you want to. I think I did mine 3 times because I like mine really thick and I like the color to pop. So I'll just let you guys keep watching the next process. Okay, you guys, now that I have done this 3 times off camera, I'm going to now put the activator on top, and this basically solidifies everything in. So you're going to spread the activator on top of the nail, each of the nails, and then you're going to allow it to dry, and then you're going to file and buff the nail once everything has cured, and then you're going to apply the top gel, top coat gel once you complete, you know, the nail. applying the top gel and finishing out my nails, honey. And as you can see, they are looking real nice, and like I just came from the nail shop. You guys, this looks actually like shellac, but it's not. It's dip powder, and it's pretty much a safer way to wear on your nails, so it doesn't, you know how acrylic makes the nails bend? This doesn't do that. So if you guys did like this video, make sure you thumbs the video up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend, honey. Look at that. Ooh, I'm in love with a stripper. Until next time, you guys, stay tuned.